Hey girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new professional portable e-file from Double Dip Nails. So this is what the box looks like. It is covered in some thin plastic, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the entire thing before I take that off. On the back, it does have a little bit of information about the e-file. Do feel free to pause if you would like to read it. I will be going over all of the details of this e-file later on in the video. I am going to go ahead and remove the plastic from the box. So after removing the plastic, we have a sliding box. I really love packaging like this. It is so fun to unbox in my opinion. So here we can see the e-file is printed on the box. It is so pretty, but just wait guys, it's even prettier in person. So on the right side, we do have this little tape, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it open so we can unbox the e-file. This is also a magnetic box and it's really nice quality. I personally like to reuse my magnetic boxes like this. I feel like they're really good to store other products in. The first thing that I see is the warranty card. This does have a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which is really nice in case your e-file stops working. Next, we do have the user manual, and this tells you everything about your e-file. I would definitely recommend to read over this before using, just to make sure you know exactly how to use your e-file. So I think we all know what is on the right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip over and unbox the white boxes first. So we do have this bigger white box, and inside this you're going to find a lot of accessories for your e-file. The first thing is a few drill bits. It's really nice that these e-files come with these. Even though they are quite basic, they are important for nail prep. You also get the wall adapter. Of course, this is used to charge your e-file. You do also get a handpiece stand, and this just sits on your table to rest your handpiece when you're not using it. You do also get the handpiece holder. This attaches to the side of the e-file, which I will show you guys later on in the video. And the last thing inside of that first box is this white base. So this is actually what you put your e-file in to charge it. On the back here, you do have the area to plug in the wall adapter, and you can just leave this part plugged into the wall. It does have these little indents on the side for the handpiece when you're using the clear handpiece holder on the side of your e-file. I do feel like this product is designed very well. For the last box inside of the package, we do have the handpiece. It is covered in some bubble wrap to protect it during shipping because this is typically the most expensive part of your e-file. As you can see, it does have the same beautiful color design as the e-file. This is just a quick look. I will be going more in depth for the handpiece in just a few minutes. Of course, the last thing in the box is the e-file itself. Look how pretty this e-file is. I really love the design of this. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink and yellow together. They're so pretty. As you can see, this clear thing around it, this is actually a acetone resistant finish control box, and this is another way that you can protect your e-file when you're using it. It does come right out, so you can use the e-file by itself. It does have some white that goes all the way around the e-file, and the back is just solid ombre from pink to yellow. On the top, we have 2 buttons and the area to plug in the handpiece. Because I do really want to protect my e-file, I do plan to leave it inside of the clear protector just to make sure I don't break it. On the bottom of the clear piece, we do have little areas to place drill bits, which is really nice, especially if you don't have a good place to store them. So let's take a closer look at the handpiece. This is typically the most expensive part of your e-file, so you do want to take very good care of it. It does have a spiral stretchy cord, and this gives you a lot of room for movement away from the e-file. In the middle of the handpiece, you can see that it has this little silver knob. You twist this to the left, and then you're able to remove your drill bits. You can then place in any drill bit of your choice. Once you place it all the way down, you want to go ahead and lock it back into place. This is going to secure your drill bit and make sure that you can file and shape the nails. So this is a 3-prong plug-in, so we're just plugging that into the top of the e-file. For the handpiece holder, this just slides in on either side of the e-file. It does just depend which side you prefer to have your handpiece on. Because I am right-handed, I just decided to place it on the right side of my e-file. As you can see from the charging base, this is the area where the handpiece is going to sit, which again is why the base does have those little indents. So once you place the holder all the way down to the bottom, you can then place the handpiece inside of the holder. Again, this just holds it when you're not using it, and it does keep everything nice and organized. To turn on the e-file, just turn the knob on the top clockwise until it clicks. You'll then see the LCD display light up. You can then control what speed you would like to use the e-file. I'm going to go ahead and see how quiet this e-file is. So as you guys can see, this is a 35,000 RPM e-file, which you're not really going to be using a speed that high, but it is nice to know that you do have a lot of power for your e-file. This does feature a forward and reverse motor rotation, so you can just click the button on the top in the middle and this changes the rotation of the drill bit. This is important for left and right-handed nail techs. So another really cool feature about this e-file is, let's say you're filing the nails and you do need to stop for a quick second, you can just push the knob down and that will actually pause the rotation of the motor. It does stay at the same rotation, so you can just push it again to resume the filing. I think this is really nice, and I love that it is a 2-in-1 button. So I am just going to go ahead and take the wall adapter to plug in the base of the e-file. So according to the user manual, it does take 3 hours to fully charge the e-file, and the working battery life is 8 to 10 hours, which is a really long time if you think about it. You can do quite a few nail sets using the e-file. So to charge your e-file, you just place it down in the base of the e-file, and as you can see, it does start charging the e-file, which I do already have a full battery life. This is a rechargeable portable e-file, so you just charge it up and you can take it on the go with you. For the handpiece base, again, this just sits on the table, and when you're not using the handpiece, you can just lay it down on the base for the handpiece. So as I showed you guys earlier, this e-file does come with a few starter drill bits. These are really good for nail prep. Honestly, the most important one is this mandrel drill bit. As you guys may know, everyone uses this for nail prep. To use this, you just want to pick one of the arbor bands and slide it around the mandrel drill bit. This does come with fine, medium, and coarse arbor bands. For natural nails, you only want to use the fine arbor band. You do not want to use too coarse of a drill bit, otherwise it is going to ruin your natural nails. The other drill bit I would personally use is this ball bit and maybe this one right here. These would be really good to prep around the cuticles of your nails. So I am just going to quickly demonstrate and file 2 of my nails so you can see how this product really works. I'm going to be putting a drill bit in. This is also from Double Dip Nails. This is a Typhoon medium bit. Unfortunately, I did not see it on their website at the moment, but they do have the tiny Typhoon bit, which I feel like these drill bits are really good for beginners to remove product from your nails. For the speed, I am going to be using 6,000 RPM, which is quite low. Personally, I do prefer to remove my product at a lower speed just to prevent myself from accidentally cutting my skin. As I was saying, this drill bit is really good for beginners to remove product because it does have a very smooth tip, so if you accidentally run this over your skin, it is not going to cut you. As you guys can see, it is removing the product from my nails very quickly and easily. I do have dip powder on my nails at the moment. This e-file does have the most advanced nano chip for a high and powerful torque, which basically just means if you push too hard, the e-file is not going to stop, which allows you to put a good amount of pressure to remove product quickly. This e-file is also quiet and has a smooth vibration, so it's not vibrating in your hand as you're using it. This e-file is also acetone resistant, so while you're in the process of removing your nails, if you accidentally get some acetone on it, it's not going to ruin the design of the e-file, which in my opinion is very important when you're looking for a good e-file. If you guys are interested to purchase this e-file from Double Dip, you can use my discount code KCNAILS40 and that will save you 40% off of this e-file. That is a really big discount, so I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a good e-file. I will have it linked down below in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this e-file down below in the comments. Do make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe because I do post weekly nail tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!